To add credentialed users to your Cloudvue hosted access control devices, begin by logging into your Cloudvue account. Click the account icon from the right side menu bar. Choose the Credentials tab along the top of the page. Click the Add Credential button above the credentials list. Enter the user's first and last name. Select the user's primary location. For mobile access, check both the Mobile Credential User and Mobile Smart Key User boxes. The Mobile Smart Key User box identifies users who will only be using the mobile app as their credential, such as when using an I/O Smart Reader in panelless mode, when the only entry method is through the use of the mobile app. In the mobile phone field, enter the full number with country code without dashes or spaces. This should be the number of the mobile device the user will use with the reader for access. You will also enter the user's email address. Towards the bottom, you have the option of scheduling a date range for their access. The activation date will often be today's date, but if you have a user that begins work on a specific date, this could be scheduled in the future as well. Under the Access section, select an access template that defines the specific doors and time schedules they are permitted access to. Details on creating templates can be found in the user manual and may be edited under the Templates tab. Assign Custom allows the creation of custom sets of doors for this credentialed user. Click Save when done. The newly added credentialed user will receive a Welcome to Cloudvue text message sent to the phone number entered on the credentials creation page. Links to install the Cloudvue Access app for both Apple and Android devices are included in the message. Use links in the message to download and install the appropriate app for the mobile device you are using. Return to the text message received to validate your credentials. Click the appropriate link for your mobile device to validate. Accept the license agreement and privacy notice. Enter a password, then verify the password by entering it again. Finally, enter the validation code sent to you in a separate SMS text message and click Submit. When logging into the app in the future, you will enter the phone number with country code and the password you created. Bluetooth will need to be enabled on your device to locate nearby readers, so the app may prompt you to enable it. The app will present nearby doors for you to unlock.